While scientists work to find a vaccine and cure, some politicians have a quite different focus. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo on Sunday stepped up the country's ongoing blame game.
I can tell you that there is a significant amount of evidence that this came from that laboratory in Wuhan.
This echoed U.S. President Donald Trump's claim on the origin of the virus,
Anything at this point that gives you a high degree of
an allegation on which the president was pressed about whether he had evidence.
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. And I think that
But Trump gave no further details, and the claim from him and Pompeo finds no backing from U.S. intelligence reports. The Office of the Director of National Intelligence, which has been providing support to U.S. policymakers on the pandemic, says it concurs with the consensus that COVID-19 was neither man-made nor genetically modified. The New York Times has highlighted the fact that Pompeo's words are facing spy agencies' uncertainty, and the Chinese Foreign Ministry has already issued its response to the claim.
So far, scientists from the WHO in various countries, including the U.S., widely believe that no evidence suggests the virus came from a lab.
And scientists have also contradicted Pompeo's claim. Epidemiologist Joanna Marzet has worked with and trained scientists at the Wuhan Institute of Virology. She says there are multiple reasons for believing the coronavirus outbreak wasn't the result of an accident at the lab. First, samples from the lab did not match COVID-19. Also, a cross-species outbreak of that kind would be a rare occurrence. And finally, the lab has very stringent safety protocols. Yuan Zhiming, a senior researcher with Wuhan Institute of Virology, also says it's impossible that the virus is leaked from the institute.
We have strict management system and codes of conduct for scientific research, so we are confident in this.
As the origin of the virus is becoming more politicized, many are calling on countries to join efforts to handle the global pandemic.
It's not helpful and it's not true to blame a country in this way. What we should be doing instead is dispassionately working as partners with Chinese authorities to understand the epidemic and do all we can to make sure that an epidemic doesn't happen again.